Okay, I can't tell how old the evaporator coil is because the evaporator coil is installed backwards. It was installed backwards, so the data plate would be over there. We do not have a P-trap. I can see we don't have a P-trap. It looks like we might have a float switch. Can't really tell. There's no way to get over there. It's backwards. Gas line does not have a sediment trap. See if I can get any data off of this. Now I'm going to have to open this cabinet if I'm going to get any data off of it. Do I feel secure opening this cabinet? Getting it back on is the thing. Okay, something happened on 11/22/16. Somebody's marking off the... It's been modified. It's been modified. Something's... Okay. Since it has been modified, see the instructions are X'd out. See the date on this. We need service. And you can't serve good luck. I was an idiot for coming over here. There's not a service platform. Gas line does not have a sediment trap. I think I said that already. And we have a CSST feed going over to the kitchen. That's supposed to be electrically bonded. It's not bonded. Air ducts on the floor. Air filter is a 1/20/16, not a 2. Got these latches here. Good luck having a happy technician service this.